Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see how to create a model in Laravel. Okay, means we are using models, right? Like we are using model, controller, what is seed, what is migration, everything will be there. But today we'll see how to create a model in Laravel project or Laravel file, whichever project you are doing in Laravel. In that, how we can create that we'll see. So in last session we have seen how to run the index file, right? How to create a route. Okay, then I have shown you some index file also, like password, fill the creating form, sign up form, that I have shown you. Okay, API we are not using, that I will tell you later how to create APIs and all. Okay, so to create model, see here there is nothing like user.php1 model. This will be by default. Okay, it will be by default model. So we'll create now one model. For that, what you need to do, I will go in my folder, that is which Laravel project I have created. So my project name is what, new project I have taken. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to copy this. Okay, copy this path, copy, then come here, type command, because we need to go in that folder, right? So cd and paste that. So we are in now new project. Okay, here what we need to do, we need to create a model. Why we are using, as I think you might be knowing, some people are knowing, some people don't know about models. So what is model? Models means what, here we are declaring our database which we are creating in MySQL, right? That database name, that or table names, columns names, that we are declaring in model. So it will do the communication between controller, model and front page. Okay, controller is what, it will do the communication between model and front page, and model is what, which will handles the database, all the database names and all, that will be handled by model. Okay, then this is done. So to create model, what command we need to use, you can note down that command. So the command name is, I write now. Okay, first you need to write php artisan. Okay, php artisan make colon model. Okay, because it is a model, so model, and you can give model name, you can give name like related to model only. Like suppose if I want to create student model table, so for that what I will take, student model I am doing here. Okay, student model, this is my model name. Next what I will do, I will enter here. So we'll see what will happen. Okay, student model, it is running, it is happening, it is creating model. So it will take little bit time. Okay, see here, model is created successfully. So we'll see now whether it is created or not. So earlier I have shown you there was only user.php. now we'll see there is a student model.php, right? Like this, see here, now model is created. Okay, so like this you can create a model. Suppose if you want to declare table name, then you need to take fillable. You can take fillable also, and you can write here table name. So I'll show you that. I will open my php my admin. So come here, localhost /php my admin. Okay, it is not taking. So what I'll do, we'll go here, enter, we'll see what will happen. Okay, before this what I need to do, I need to run the server, right? Because server is must and should, because if it is not there, it will not work only. See how it is in auto mode, so automatically it will start. Now I'll do refresh here. Okay, it is refreshing. Okay, fine. So this is our php. So we'll see what is my table name, database name. So my database name is what, Laravel. Here it is there. Okay, here it is not there, Laravel, right? So what we'll do, we'll create one table. So click on new, write here Laravel, okay, then create. Okay, here it is created now. Okay, it is created. I'll keep like this only, I'll not do anything, because we are creating data here by using a seed function only. Okay, now this is done. Now what I will show you, I'll show you how to declare this database in model. Okay, that I'll show you, just a second. Okay, you can see here I have created now database. Okay, so to declare that, what we need to, will go here now again, where in model will go, here it is our student model.php. okay, so for that what you need to write, you need to write here protected. Okay, protected, then dollar fileable, okay, is equal to, in square bracket you can give here all the column names. Like suppose if you have name, you can give name. If you have marks, student marks, if you are taking, then you can take student marks. Then if you are taking their email ID, that, then you can write here email. Okay, see, like this you can save here, you can declare the column names. Okay, column names you can declare, and this here it is student model. Okay, student models.php. so while creating their table, you need to take, one is singular and one should be plural, so there you need to take student models, you need to take, then only that time you can declare this. Okay, like this. Otherwise what you can do, you can take like this also, directly table you can declare, like protected, okay, dollar table is equal to, here suppose I am taking student table, so there will be a student. Like this you can take table name also, like this you can declare. See, either you can take this column name or you can take table name. Okay, so like this you can create a model. Okay, so this is about models. So today, in today's session, we are learning only about models. Okay, so suppose if you have any queries or doubt, sorry, I will not say doubt, I'll use queries only, because every time we need to use positive word. Okay, so if you have any queries, please comment in comment section. And suppose if you are liking our videos, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So if you're subscribing or if you're liking, we will motivate by saying that, and we'll do more videos. And as I told you, we'll see all the features, about all the full tutorial in Laravel. I'll show you APIs also, then front end, back end, how to communicate front end, back end, that also I'll show you. But we'll go from first to last, because everything we need to learn from scratch only, so I'm going through scratch only. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching our videos. Thank you, see you in next session.